Hello everyone! Welcome to the Amazing World YouTube channel!
There are still indigenous hunter-gatherer communities in the world, but it seems that one of them is the most shocking. They are said to be the last remaining hunters and gatherers on Earth. And what kind of life they live is still a matter of curiosity for many people. This video will show you what an interesting and incredible life they live. You must be ready for this. Before we get to this topic, be sure to subscribe to this channel for more. The tribe we've been talking about is called the Hadza. The Hadza tribe, located in northwestern Tanzania, is an extraordinary community that has captivated the attention of anthropologists, researchers, and travelers alike. That's why you will be surprised so much while watching this video. Estimated population ranging between 1,000 to 1,500 individuals, the Hadza people have sustained a unique way of life in this region for thousands of years. We always talk about fascinating tribal styles on this channel. You know, they have really strange beauty standards, and this makes them look different from each other. But Hadza is mostly known for its amazing wild lifestyle. Even today, the Hadza tribe is one of the most visited tribes by tourists. Let's look closer at their world of hunting and gathering. At the heart of Hadza culture is a profound connection to the environment. That's why Hadza men typically hunt game easily, while women gather plant foods. They collect a diverse range of plant-based foods, including wild berries, tubers, and other edible plants. Both genders, however, are involved in various aspects of subsistence activities. Hunting is often done cooperatively, and the Hadza are known for their expertise in tracking and hunting animals. You can see that Hadza men always hunt with their dogs. Men engage in hunting using basic tools such as bows, arrows, and spears, targeting antelopes, rabbits, birds, guinea fowl, and other small game. Imagine that learning to use arrows expertly while living in your own isolated world is an incredible talent for Hadza. Besides that, they hunt a lot of different kinds of animals, such as baboons. Yes, you didn't hear it wrong. One of the main dishes is a baboon, which they hunt in the forest. Honey is a significant and valued part of the Hadza diet as well. The process of honey collection among the Hadza involves locating beehives in the wild, often high in trees or other concealed locations. When you ask the Hadza people, they will say that they are only happy when they can find honey and meat. Can you imagine that their only life purpose is just to find food? What would you choose to do if you were in their shoes? Growing crops or hunting? They seem to have chosen hunting, even if they have to eat monkeys. Did you know that the Hadza practice a semi-nomadic lifestyle, moving between different locations based on the availability of resources? This mobility allows them to adapt to seasonal changes and optimize access to water, food, and other necessities. The Hadza adapt their living environment to the surrounding natural elements. They strategically position their camps near water sources, such as rivers or natural springs, to meet their water needs. Hadza communities are situated in regions characterized by a mix of savannas, woodlands, and semi-arid landscapes. Hadza dwellings are typically portable and constructed from natural materials like thin branches, woven grass, and animal hides. These shelters provide protection against the elements and are designed to be easily disassembled and moved. The Hadza live in small, mobile camps that consist of several families. When it comes to their language, probably you have not heard this kind of speaking before. Because the Hadza language is considered an isolated language, not belonging to any other known language family. Here are some examples. Now let's look closer at their traditional clothes and ornaments. Hadza men commonly wear clothing made from animal hides. These hides were obtained through hunting, and the garments included skirts or loincloths. Accessories such as beadwork and other ornaments are used to adorn the men's traditional dress. These items can hold cultural or symbolic significance, and their colors and patterns may vary. Similar to men, Hadza women may also wear cloth wraps as part of their traditional dress. These wraps are practical for daily activities and can be tied around the waist. As part of their traditional attire, you can see men wearing hats made from monkey hair. What an interesting look, isn't it? Hadza dances are often part of various ceremonies and rituals. These ceremonies may be related to important events such as initiation rites, celebrations of successful hunts, or other communal activities. It's so nice to learn new things about this tribe. The tribe seems to be living as if they were from 300 years ago. Who knows, maybe they are. What do you think about this fascinating tribe? Leave a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more. Because the world is ours to explore.